Do you want to know exactly how many people are watching your Instagram Reels? In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to check your Reels views, see who's watching your content, and access detailed insights that can help you grow your account faster. But before we start with the video, please hit that subscribe button because it would really help out my channel. So without wasting your time, let's start right away. I'm on my Instagram Reels page where I can see the Reels which I had posted on my account, but here's the thing. You can see the basic view count on each Reel, but if you want detailed analytics, you're going to need to switch to a professional account. Don't worry, this is completely free and takes just a few seconds. First, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile. Then scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools. From there, select Switch to Professional Account and follow the quick setup steps. Instagram will ask you to choose a category and answer a few questions. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once that's done, go back to your profile and you'll notice all your posts and Reels now show their view counts. Now, if you want to see detailed insights for any Reel, just tap on that Reel to open it. Then tap on the View Insights button below the Reel. Here you can see everything. Total views, interactions, likes, comments, shares, saves, and profile activity. You can also see the percentage of views from followers versus non-followers, which is super important for understanding if Instagram is pushing your content to new people. You'll also see reach, accounts reached, and tons of other performance data that helps you understand what content works best. So that's how you check your Reels views and access full insights on Instagram. Super simple process that gives you all the data you need to grow. If this guide helped you out, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.